Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another easy nail art. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll get my nail and come in with a black base. I'll go ahead and cure it under the UV light till it completely dries. Next, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. I'll get a little amount of my purple chrome powder and just rub it at the base of the nail. Next, I'll come in with a silver chrome powder. I'll rub this on the upper part. Now I'm going to work in the middle to prevent that very sharp gradient. I want it to descend gently into the second chrome. So afterwards, I'll just go ahead and seal it off with a glossy top coat. And here we are. I hope you did enjoy this. If you do, give it a try. Let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.